Good morning, all. I'm Epstein with your Morning Flash Update, and this update is for the morning of Thursday. And we're at the 26th of September, 2024, about 8:30 a.m. Central Time. And what a day of information. So let's go to that, and then we'll come to the markets. Second quarter final, and the word is final, GDP numbers, right with what was expected. Weighted price index, the final one, right where expected. Not really big number changes here at all. So I think you can live with that. The personal consumption did slip. That's one of the numbers, a little bit down there. And the final sales did slip. So that's, shows the consumer weakening a bit. Advanced durable good orders comes the other way. They expected a decline of 3%, comes in unchanged. What picked it up was durable goods ex-transportation, up a half. The prior month was down 0.2. And durable goods ex-defense were down 0.2, but the prior month they were up 10.4%. So, it's all over the board. Jobless claims came in down 4,000 at 218. It still shows a resilient market. The continuing claims are at 13,000. Let me come back there. Continuing claims were at 1,834,000. Now, we're going to get at 9 o'clock the National Association of Realtors. They're going to come out with the pending home sales. Energy analysts are looking for EIA natural gas storage to show 53 billion cubic feet, but I don't think that's going to matter at all, given that Hurricane Helene is already a Cat 2 storm now, headed towards the coast, the panhandle of Florida. Could land as a 3 or a 4. It's going to pick up momentum and in terms of the speed within it. The KC Fed Composite Index will come out at 10 o'clock. Last month was a -3. We haven't seen this pick up in a while. Maybe we'll get a surprise. Now, here was something that market was a cliffhanger. Which way was the Swiss National Bank going to go? Cutting a quarter of a point or a half? They ended up going only a quarter, so that gave the market a little bit of a boost. They'll be lowering numbers as they go forward on it, but it's going to be a gradual process, not a shotgun one as I see it. And China comes out of a Politburo meeting that they just held, and they announced an additional $284 billion of stimulus. So that sent everything bonkers. That was the news of the day. Good U.S. news from that. That sent the gold market at one point to $27.08. Now it's already down $20 an ounce from there. Silver's down about 60 cents from its peak. It got up over the $33 mark. Copper got to $4.61. I mean, everything China is now stimulus, so you're going to see people buying things left and right there. When we look at what's going on here, what came out today is the Saudis are now saying that they are really considering December 1st increasing production, and they're abandoning, for the moment, their $100 a barrel oil target. I think what they're watching is the U.S. garner market share, and within OPEC, other people grabbing share. In addition, Libya has reached a temporary peace treaty, and their oil's going to come back on the market. As we move over into the grain markets, it's more of the same, just back and forth, wild action. It's harvest time. And now we got to see what the storm, that this Hurricane Helene that's going to come up, what does it do some of the corn and soybean areas? You'll say, well, what's that have to do? That storm impact's going to hit Chicago. So it's going to come right on through the states, Indiana, Iowa, possibly, but for sure Indiana, Illinois. What does that mean? These are your big corn and soybean areas. So we'll see if the moisture has an impact there at all. Dollar down again, only 9 ticks off the low. As I said, you've come back in the Swiss franc. The weekly charts have held on to their bullish embedded reading, which is friendly the market. The yen up a fraction today as well. So you put it all together, you got some game plans here. How do we play it? All right. One of the ways you do it is through our free offers. And in our free offers, all you do is you go to our website, irapstein.com, and as you get there, you're going to get to the free offers section. And when you do, you'll see this. It says select free offers. As you scroll through the page, and the offers will be right there, pick the ones that you want. It's like a shopping cart. At the bottom of the page, you'll put in your name, your email address. We'll send everything out to you. We typically get it done within 48 business hours. In other words, 2 business days at the latest. You'll see at the bottom of the page right here, as I'm showing, everything will be there for you to go with. Again, it's iraepstein.com, free offers. You can also move your cursor if you're on a PC up to the top here. You'll see an icon, give it a click. I'm Ira. I will catch up with you at the end of the day today. Couldn't do it last night, had a personal matter come up, and I will catch up with you all then. Take care.